Hello my dear, I'm going to show you a really cute nail art design.
Come on, skinny love, just last the year.
So, go on.
We were never here.
I paint my nail white.
Staring at the sink of blood and crushed veneer. Told my love to wreck it all. Cut out all the roads to let me fall.
Then I use a colorful nail polish to draw a cute bird.
Right at the moment this art is told. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And in the morning I'll be with you, but it will be a different kind. 'Cause I'll be holding all the tickets, and you'll be owning all the flights. Come on, skinny love, what happened here? Circle on the whole bit like Brazil. My. Silent load is full, so slow on the split. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And now
We use a red acrylic paint to draw a small heart.
'Cause now I'm breaking at the bridges and at the ends of all your life. Who will love you? Who will fight? And who will fall far behind? Come on, skinny
That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.